We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. It's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible for our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.